Hello guys, today we are going to start checking lesson C, the video lesson. This is the objective, making social arrangements. Okay, so over there you have this word arrangement. It means future plans. Okay, in other words, we are going to start making social plans. Okay, so here is the topic of the lesson. Are you doing anything on Wednesday? That is interesting, right? We need to discover what happened with this question. ¿Vas a hacer algo el miércoles? Es una pregunta en futuro, ¿verdad? Usando present continuous. Now we are going to start checking the grammar, the lyrics training. This is a place where you can practice a little bit with lyrics from your favorite songs. You are going to do that later, but you need to open this website and you need to join with your Facebook account. Over there you need to practice. You choose a song in English, of course, and you practice it by filling the blanks. So you need to complete some words in the web section, or maybe you can download lyrics training and get the results and post these results screenshot on our activity 1 on Facebook wall. Right? This is the first activity that you need to do after the class. Now you have the leading. The leading is about a video. Okay, this is going to be the topic, making arrangements, haciendo planes. So you are going to listen to a conversation between a man and a woman. Okay, and they are making plans, making arrangements. Okay, so you need to take notes because you need to copy the plans they mention. Okay, because they talk about they are doing something on evening, during this evening. Okay, so now we are going to start after guys about discussion time. So over here you have a question. Do you make arrangements with people by phone? Okay, hacen planes con gente al teléfono. I think everybody, yes, because we also make arrangements with friends, with family, etc. It's a normal topic every day for people. And later you have what kind of things do you arrange? Okay, ¿qué cosa o qué planes haces tú con esta gente? Okay, you need to describe it. Okay, later we pass with the listening activity. Over here you are going to open your Facebook your Cambridge account, and you need to watch the video, okay, corresponding to lesson C from unit 4. Over here we have some questions, right? On the left part we have a couple of pictures. You can see Annie and Rachel having a conversation on the phone, right? So you need to go to the Cambridge platform in your account and watch the video and try to answer these questions. Okay, the first question is going to be general, and the questions from task C are going to be specific details from the conversation. Okay, so try to do this pausing the video. Vamos a pausar el video y continuar al video sí, de Cambridge. Okay. Now we are going to analyze the phrases that we have in this dialogue. Okay, What are you going to do? This is an exercise where you classify the phrases by writing I for invitation and R for responding an invitation. ¿Ok? Va a clasificar estas frases muy útiles que están acá por frases que se usan para invitación y también frases que se usan para responder a una invitación. Okay, so please pause the video and now you are going to watch this part. Okay, over here you have the answers, right? 1, 2, 4, 6 are invitations and the rest are responding. Okay, now you have complete exercise and acquire, right? Necesitamos completar las frases y también adquirir estas frases como nuevo conocimiento. Okay, so you have read and complete the words in the box, complete the spaces. Okay, tómense unos minutos, pausa el video y luego vuelven. Okay, so time is over. Now over here you have the answers of this exercise. Okay, are you doing anything tomorrow? Is a good question to start making planning. ¿Tienes algo que hacer mañana? Would you like to come round for a coffee? ¿Te gustaría venir para tomarnos un café? Okay, that is interesting. How you use, maybe you can use your homework from itinerary, and over here you add the phrases. It means the questions to your dialogue. You can start thinking about the task. Later, over here we have 3 phrases that you can use in order to give you extra time to think. Okay, algunas veces necesitamos tiempo para organizar nuestras ideas, etc. Y estas frases nos ayudan a darnos un poco de tiempo extra para pensar, para organizar. Okay, so the phrases are: I'll just check. Okay, yo chequearé, yo revisaré. Hang on a minute. ¿Ya? Quiere decir, espera un minuto. And just a moment. Okay, solo un momento. Es como una señal que le damos a la persona que nos escucha de esperar. Okay, que voy a tardar un poco en mi respuesta. And finally, you're going to be in groups. For this one, you need to open your account in Cambridge Forum, okay? Because you are going to do a posting. Over here you have a picture about that, right? Tienen una pista, ¿no es cierto? Para entender lo que van a hacer. So, open your account, work with your partner and write a dialogue. Okay, could be any topic, cualquier tema, siempre y cuando usemos. Acá abajo nos dice tenemos que usar las frases aprendidas durante la lección. Okay, ¿cuáles son las frases? Lo que acabamos de hacer aquí. Okay, desde aquí. So we are going to learn and also put in practice. Yeah, you need to post in dialogue form. Okay, so you are going to work with a partner or maybe 2 partners. Okay, in order to create the dialogue. One person needs in order to post, but don't forget everybody's name. Okay, una persona será la encargada de postear este diálogo, pero no se olviden de incluir los nombres de los compañeros. Okay? That's all, guys. Thank you.